what you can do after your academics, if you have a question in your mind about how you can search the jobs, or how you can target the specific profiles as per your qualification or academics that you have done, then I would say this 5 to 10 minutes video can help you a lot to understand the nature of investment banking, fund admin, or the custodian business lines, as well as how you can apply to the specific jobs which matches with your interest, right? So I would request you, please watch this video till the end, and if you like this initiative, then I would also request you to share with others who are desperately looking for kind of this content. Okay, so I'll walk you through. Let's say after your academics like BBA, BCom, MBA, MCom, BA, BSc, MSc, or any other degree, including engineering degree as well. If you have completed that, make sure that degree should be regular one. Degree should be regular one. If it is not a regular one, then nobody can entertain to you, because most of the time people they ask me, sir, so the part time, the night degree, or part time, or the irregular degree, or 1 year graduation or post graduation, would that be suffice? No, so nobody can entertain on the basis of that. Your degree should be regular, and it should be from a reputed institution. Reputed, it means the recognized university, government recognized university, not fake and all, right? If you have completed that, then you can look for a positions under back office department, right? You can look positions under the back office departments. The positions should be like corporate action analyst, income processing analyst, TLM, trade life cycle, trade settlement, reconciliations, business analyst, KYC, FATCA, accounting, reporting, auditing, all that positions you can apply. Apart from that, you would see many other positions as well, like pricing, mortgage, insurance, right? So all that positions comes under the back office department. So means all this qualification people or students who have completed it, so they can target this profiles, and accordingly they can start for a preparation and all, right? I'll prepare one video on interview preparation as well, how you can prepare for an interview, right? So don't worry about it, just be there, I would say, right? So you can target these positions, and companies would be TCS, BNY, Bank of America, Infosys, JP Morgan, Societe General, Standard Chartered, Eclux, and many more, right? Atos, Intel, there are a number of companies who are in a similar business line at a different locations like Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Noida, all are the locations, right? So you can check the locations, you can then accordingly apply to it. I'll walk you through the short process as well, so how you can apply to the particular jobs, right? Let's say you so now I hope now you have a clear idea about if you are from BBA, BCom, MBA, MCom, and this the normal academics. Apart from that, if you have completed any recognized certified investment banking courses or a risk certification like CFA. When I say recognized, it should be like CFA, FRM, or kind of the reputed courses or recognized courses. In that case, you can target the profiles. I would say risk profiles. Risk, it means operation risk, enterprise risk, transactional risk, right? Fraud, then portfolio risk, investment instrument risk, merger, acquisition, and many more. So you target these profiles, right? So basically, if you are like a CFA candidate, then you can target the investment, investment buy side companies like fund businesses, AMC companies, or investment advisory firms, investment research firms, pricing firms, valuation firms like CRISIL. So they actually offer the pricing or valuations or ratings, right, to their clients. So you can target such companies. And if you have completed UFRM, then you can again buy or sell. So it means here you would see little bit high scope. So risk analyst can work either buy side or sell side, means both the side as well. Then AML, transaction risk, fraud risk, portfolio risk, enterprise risk. So this is basically the particular certification would be into the risk side, and CFA, which is from an investment side. So that's how you can target the companies. And companies would be again fund admins, any banks or lending institutions, the companies like Apex, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, BNY, Bank of America, any fund, fund businesses or AMCs also that you can target. And here you would see the big scope for your profiles. Or in short, that's what here I wrote, like you can target to the risk profiles, right? Apart from that, in India, like so most of the students, commerce student, I would say, they complete the academics like CMA, CS, CA. So for them, I would say they can target the profiles like accounting. Accounting means fund accounting, company accounting, enterprise accounting, private equity accounting, hedge fund accounting, mutual fund accounting, right? Investor accounting. So they can target the profiles like this. Apart from that, they also target if they want to find any the position which can matches with their qualification, because accounting, which is again data processing stuff, right? Data processing, it means like you to record the transactions in the system, accounting system, right? To record the corporate action, to record the income processing. It's moreover 80% stuff that you would see kind of data entry work, to resolve the breaks, to record it, to match it, to reconcile it. But here, if they want the skill set like to interpret that financial transactions, or to prepare the financial reports, or to verify that particular reports or transaction and all, then they can target the profiles like auditing and reporting, regulatory reporting, compliance reporting, financial reporting, investor reporting, right? There are a number of different tasks which you would see under reporting and auditing. So you can target to this profiles as well, instead targeting to the other profiles. And if you see guys, the why this information is important, I'll tell you the logic. If you are qualified CFA analyst and you are looking for a job here, then you cannot expect salary more than 10 LP. And why, sir? Still, if you have any questions, you can call me. I'll share my number. You can call me to this number for career advice. You can book the sessions. So I'll give you the in detail insight about. So you can book my career coaching or counseling session. I'll give you the in details idea about it. Ultimately, all are the business lines which comes under the low billing rates from the client, and that's what you cannot expect more than 10 lakh salaries. Now at the initial stage I'm talking about, if you are an experienced one, so that is based on your experience, then you would see high packages as well, right? So we here in this case you can take the example of freshers who want to enter in this industry. So I'm talking from their perspective, right? Then from a risk profiles, let's say if these guys can look for a risk profiles, they also means in between 7 to 8 or 5 to 6 lakh only they can expect. Why? Because they are only qualified graduates, they haven't done any CFA or FRM. But every profile, there you would see the pattern like 2 to 3 CFA, 2 to 3 FRM, 2 to 3 BA, MBA, or other people. So all work can come together and manage these profiles and all. So that's what. So you would see the less salary and all. So it's important to know that where and which position can be suitable for you, and that's what career guidance becomes very important. So you can book the session. And apart from that, C and CS or CMA people, so you can still think about risk profiles, because your package start from 5 to 7 minimum at entry level. So that's what you can think about and target the profiles like this. But if you target the profiles like back office reporting, still here you would see little bit different reporting. Here also you would see little bit different reporting, and accounting kind of again data entry stuff. Graduate can also look, CS, CS and CMA also can look, but you would see the different in packages as well, right? So it's become very important to know which companies offer high packages. If you compare the Apex with TCS, TCS always offer low packages and Apex always offer high packages. If you compare the BNY, if you compare the Morgan Stanley, if you compare the Bank of America, they are captive companies. We call it here like captive. And if I take the example of TCS or Infosys or all these companies, these three, so they are outsourcing companies like KPU, knowledge processing outsourcing companies. Here you cannot expect high packages. And that's what it becomes very putable that you should know the business operations or nut and bolt of this business operations, and accordingly you can find opportunities and apply to it. I believe this will help you a lot to understand and all. So I'll quickly walk you through how you can apply for a jobs as per your now already we have discussed about, but how you can apply to the jobs. So you have a two types or two ways, I would say, to apply to the particular profiles, right? One method is direct method. Direct, it means you can check the company's career page, right? Go to the company site, so you should know the names of companies at least, like JP Morgan. Check the JP Morgan's career page, then go to the career section, check the openings, prepare your resume. Resume, it means your profile, which defines your qualification, name, address, achievement, previous experience and all, right? So that's become very important. And then apply to the positions, right? Then apply to the positions. Positions can be, I'll show you as well. So we'll take one live example, I'll show you how you can check it. And then wait back for a reply from the that particular HR or recruitment department, and they'll get back to you. So that's how you can apply for a jobs. The other method is like indirectly method. Indirectly method, it means download the Naukri app and follow the same steps. Create your profile, check the openings, prepare your resume, and then apply to the different positions as per your interest or qualification or the experience that you have, and wait for a reply, right? Then apart from that, you would see LinkedIn as well. So you can also download the LinkedIn, create your profile and follow the same steps, and you can directly get connect with the HRs of different companies. Apart from that, you would see Hire Me app as well. Nowadays, they are also offering the same kind of businesses that details of employment and all. So you can also download that app as well. And apart from that, references. References, it means people who are already working in XYZ companies. So you can, means through the LinkedIn, you can get connect with the HRs and companies, so which will help you to get the insight details about the opportunities and all. So that will also help you a lot. And if you are not able to do anything as such, at least create profile on Naukri and get connect with the consultant, career consultant or agencies who are into the recruitment business. So they also help you, like Black Turtle. They are into this business, so they'll help you, right? Hire and Connect. There are many more, so just find their names on Google. So that will also help you a lot to get the in detail insight about this profiles and all, and they'll manage everything without any penny, right? But yes, apart from that, if you're looking for any support or any any financial analyst courses, I would say you can get connect with us. So we'll help you through the trainings. Just call to this number or else visit to the website like www.ibfundaccounting.com for more details. So here you would see courses, content, blogs, everything, right? So this will help you a lot to understand the requirement of this industry, and also I would request you to visit this page, otherwise you can directly call us to get more details. And the students or the professionals or who want to transform their career from, or if you're looking for any transition into your career from non investment banking to, or any the different profiles and all, let's say you're into marketing and all, but still you want to be a part of this operations and all, then you can call to us. So we are offering financial analyst training program courses. We have a different courses as well. So just visit to the site, check the courses tab and all, you would see a lot of things, and otherwise you can get connect with us to know more details about it, right? So I hope this session was insightful, and I'll just quickly walk you through about the process which you can follow. Here, if you see, I have searched JP Morgan site. If you see JP Morgan site, you can also search the same, right? And then if you are experienced professional, then click on this. If you are not professional one or you are a student, then you can click on this. Then after that, let's say you are working, your students, then you can click on the program, explore the program. Just hold for a minute. See this opportunities, whatever opportunities at the moment you are saying they available, you would see that explore the program and click who can apply the details. If you would see all the details, guys, who can apply, how to apply. So they have given everything. So you can apply to their programs. So these programs will help you to be a part of institutions like JP Morgan and all. So it's become very important. If you are looking for any kind of courses as such, then I would say you can get connect with this particular this sites or different companies, or check their career portals and accordingly apply to it. Check the positions and apply to it. If you are working professional, then you can check the opportunities here directly and view the opportunities, click on it, or else you can search it as well. These are the different positions. See this. Here you can search. If you're from IT background, you can search it here. Location, positions, you can search it here, right? So at the moment, JP Morgan has 9,000 open positions, right, across globe. So check the Indian positions for Indian market and all, and accordingly you can target. If you're looking for any positions as such, here you can check it, right? So subject that the position title and all, you can search it here and just apply to it. If you apply to it, then you would see their recruitment team, they are very I would say quick. I mean, you would see quickly, they'll reply to you, or they'll get connect with you, and maybe they'll schedule an interview with you quickly. So that's what you can check the other companies as well. So that will help you a lot in terms of this. In case of any doubt, any question, you can get connect with us directly. That's absolutely fine. We'll help you out. So I'll take a leave now. In case of any questions, please do reach out to us. We'll help you.